The luxury designer tier list. What's up? Oh crap. What's up, you guys? It's 555 Kareem and we're back with another video. And today's video is the luxury designer tier list. So we're pretty much going to be diving into a luxury designer tier list from timeless legends to overrated, I don't want to say has-beens, but overrated designers. Let's jump right into it. Okay, so I'm starting with D tier, the fall from grace. First up, we have Balmain. I feel like they just lived off of the biker jeans and we didn't really get nothing new from them. Next up, we have Versace. Very loud, but not in a good way. I feel like the brand has been like a little bit stale, and that's sad because they used to own the red carpets, but now it's like, it's pretty boring. Last up for D tier, we have D squared. It's like you either wore it in 2013 or you didn't, because these newer collections, the shows are fire, but the pieces just aren't really hitting. Now we're at C tier, and this is either hit or miss. First up for C tier, we have Dolce & Gabbana. Drama, dated, but occasionally, I'm not gonna lie y'all, they do kind of eat. Like, the brand has a lot of drama and they are pretty dated, but some pieces eat y'all. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, some Dolce & Gabbana pieces really eat to me. Like, it's just a me thing. Next up, we have Moschino. Fun and playful, but I feel like at times it can be like more costume than couture. Like, I don't know, the pieces are very playful and very fun, but then you have things like the chandelier dress. Some things just feel very costumey with Moschino, but it's definite C tier, definite C tier. And last up for C tier, I have to put Off-White. It's like after Virgil, the brand just doesn't hit the same or something. Like, I don't know, the brand is just, it's not the same. I honestly feel like with Off-White, Virgil was the brand. Now we're at B tier. These are consistent and creative brands. First up, I'm gonna say Valentino. They do subtle luxury in a very beautiful way, and the brand has been like very consistent. They have a brand identity. Pieces are still very beautiful and very well made. Definite B tier level. Also for B tier, we're gonna put McQueen. Sharp, moody, theatrical. McQueen is honestly one of the GOATs. There still are some levels higher, but honestly, McQueen never misses. Well, some of his recent, like, newer collections I wasn't really a fan of, but that Archive McQueen, like, we gotta give it up for Archive McQueen. We gotta give it up. Rest in peace to McQueen, because the Archive stuff from like 2010 and prior, yes, that's the McQueen. And last up for B tier, I'm gonna put Loewe. Jonathan Anderson's touch on Loewe really did something to the brand. Like, he just made it way more elite. His touch on Loewe did everything it was supposed to do, and I applaud him for that. Now we're on A tier, fashion forward brands. First up, I'm gonna say Givenchy. I feel like Matthew Williams gave it sort of kind of a new life, like, but we're seeing Givenchy like come back with the bags, the shoes, the ready to wear. I'm definitely here for Matthew Williams Givenchy. It is A1. Next up for A tier, we have Prada. You guys already know Miuccia and Raf Simons together, the dynamic duo. Like, Miuccia's Prada was already fire, and Raf Simons' standalone brand was freaking insanely fire. So them two together is literally a match made in heaven. Their aesthetics already kind of like co-aligned, so I feel like them two working together, it just makes sense and it's just perfect. Like, it is fire. And last up for A tier, you guys already know Bottega Veneta, the silent flex. If you know, you know. If you didn't know what Bottega was, Matthew Blase really made you like want to get to know what Bottega is. Like, what is this brand people are wearing? I'm seeing these woven bags, but I'm not seeing no logos on the bags, and everybody has them. What bag is this? Like, Matthew, he created a supply chain. He created a supply demand for his products. He made people want to buy Bottega bags because it was no logo, and like, it was like an it is the if you know, you know brand. Definite A tier. Now we're on S tier, and these are, you know, GOAT status brands. These are the top of the top luxury brands. First up, we have Louis Vuitton. I mean, Virgil's legacy and Pharrell's era, unstoppable. But we also can't forget the many great creative directors of Louis Vuitton: Nicolas Ghosquier, Marc Jacobs, Takashi Murakami collabs. I don't don't know, Louis Vuitton is just S tier designer luxury brands. It's the top of the top. It's Louis freaking Vuitton. Next up, you guys already knew this was coming, but Chanel. It may be boring a little bit, but it is GOAT status. It's definitely the blueprint and it's still very relevant. Like, everybody still wants a Chanel bag. I don't care how much people say they're played out. Everybody still wants a Chanel bag. It's a classic. It's a classic. And last up for S tier, Dior, historic and current. Kim Jones was constantly innovating. All right, you guys, that's the luxury breakdown. Drop your own tier list down below in the comments. Who do you rank higher and who's overrated? And also, you guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Peace out.